Hello Navigator. In this video, I am going to talk about the difference between SENC and ENC. ENC is Electronic Navigational Chart, which is basically the electronic version of the previously used paper chart. And SENC refers for System Electronic Navigational Chart. Now, question is, we understand the term ENC very well. Then why this new term that is SENC is introduced? Very simple. There are so many types of EGDIS in the market now. They all get approval from the UK Hydrographic Office, and their processing, their software system is different from each other. By saying this, what I mean is the processing funda is different for each manufacturer, but they show the same data when they display on their own EGDIS. So if I summarize, this SENC term is introduced to identify the processing system of the particular EGDIS manufacturer. And the interesting part is, whatever processing system they use, the projection is similar from different EGDIS manufacturer. And this is how they get the approval. So again, SENC is to identify the processing system only. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hope to see you in next video.